Hi, Steve Walker here, Promise Money, and I want to give you a quick update on mortgage interest rates. Why are they falling, especially when swap rates are rising? So if you've watched my videos over recent weeks, I've been talking about swap rates and how they drive the long-term market. But something odd is happening at the moment. I think it's really good news because swap rates have actually gone up over the last week or so. They were coming down and then they went up unexpectedly. Now, some of the specialist lenders reacted to the swap rates by pausing and thinking, right, actually, we're going to increase our long-term fixed rates again. But what we've seen in the high street is the opposite. Now, why is that? The high street lenders seem to be having a bun fight at the moment to see who can win the market. They are dropping their rates, they're undercutting their competitors, and there is a bit of a rate war going on, which is great news for people who are looking to borrow right now. But I think there's a little bit more to it, because if they are doing that against rising swap rates, that means that they're either desperate for business or they're seeing something that others aren't, that the swap rate market isn't seeing. And I think it's that, because we're starting to see, the good signs coming out of inflation and prices and all that sort of thing. And I know there's talk of potentially another base rate rise, but these lenders seem to be looking further ahead, which is good, but not relying on swap rates. And the fact that there is a price war now going on in the mortgage market to try and win your business, I think has to be a good sign for the future, and a sign that lenders are now starting to feel, right, the worst is over. We might have some blips in the swap rates now, but we're going to ride that storm because we're looking further ahead. So I think that's really, really good news. What does that mean for you if you're a borrower? Well, it doesn't mean that rates are necessarily going to come down quickly, because we could still be in a period where rates stay higher. So do you move now or do you wait? That depends on your circumstances, obviously. Get advice on that, speak to an advisor. But I still think that we're going to start to see rates start chipping away towards the end of the year. So I think we've just had this sharp drop now, and it's still not where it was in March. It wouldn't take, that's in difference between where it was and where it is now. It's here and it was there. That's quite a big jump. But we're in a volatile market, and lenders want to lend. They want to get the market going. They want confidence to come back. So I think we could start seeing rates dropping further. So what's your strategy for that? As I've said before, if you're looking to buy, you're looking to move, get on with it, because if we're in a market where the rates are dropping, then whilst you're going through the process, if the rates drop during that period, you can still get the lower rate. I also think that we are probably not a million miles away from seeing, as I say, confidence come back and the property market starting to level out. I would think that sharp property investors are now looking around and thinking, right, what can I buy before everybody else catches on that maybe the worst is over? I have no guarantees of this, and anything could happen in the market. There could be another war somewhere which just throws this theory out of the window. But yeah, I'd be having a quiet look around now just to see, if I was an investor, what properties might be on the market where people have been sitting on them for a while, getting a little bit fed up, worried about the high rates of interest that they're paying, and if you could agree a deal now, you might just get and maybe not rush through it too quickly. You might find by the time you get to completion, the picture's looking a lot better and you've bagged yourself a good deal. Anyway, it's a bun fight for mortgage rates. Lenders want your business and they're slashing the rates to win it. That has to be good news. Let's hope it keeps going. Oh, and I will get told off for not reminding you. Please subscribe. Please check out our website, promisemoney.co.uk, and check out the other videos that we've got on our YouTube channel, which are for property developers, for brokers, for people wanting to buy houses, people wanting secured loans, people wanting bridging finance, property investors, the whole lot. It's all on there. Loads of videos. Please do check them out. Thanks. Bye-bye.